Massec is a revolutionary new system that helps business owners and managers significantly reduce waste and labour costs while increasing profits. With its simple plug-and-play design, Massec has transformed the stocktake process from a laborious, inaccurate and time-consuming method into one that is simple, effective and most of all accurate. Massec's straightforward concept now means that any member of staff can complete a precise stocktake with ease. After a few easy steps to set up your device, Massec will add value to your business by helping to identify and avoid common stock problems, saving your business time and money. In this step-by-step video, we'll take you through the initial setup process, measuring your stock, and, as Massec integrates with all Triniteq stock management systems, importing the information into your Triniteq software. Now let's get started so you can see just how easy it is for your bar or outlet to save valuable time and money. First, you need to charge the wireless PDA. The PDA is built for the harsh hospitality environment with its water-resistant housing, non-slip grip and large touchscreen to clearly display information and functions. It comes preloaded with the Android operating system and the Massec app. Next, plug the scales into the power supply. The scales can hold up to 6 kilograms and should be handled with care so as not to affect the weighing mechanism. You can either position your scales on a smooth flat surface or leave them in the supplied case for extra protection. Then we need a Wi-Fi internet connection and Bluetooth to connect our PDA to our Massec scales. The PDA is very similar to an Android smartphone, so just connect to your Wi-Fi network with your password and pair your Bluetooth scales the same way you would for any other Bluetooth device. If your device asks you for a PIN, enter 1234 and click OK. Now you're connected. Open the app and when you reach the Massec home screen, you're ready to go. Although the Massec system has a database of more than 5,000 items, in most cases there will still be items in your bar which need to be added manually. There are two ways to do this. For a smaller venue or outlet with fewer items, items can be added to a purpose-built spreadsheet and sent to your Massec contact, who will calculate the weight of each bottle and add them to the database for you. For this method, contact Triniteq support for further details. For venues or outlets with a more extensive range of products or more unique products, this is how to add items to the database. First, scan the product's barcode. Then, select the Edit Product tab and select how you want to measure it. Kilogram is for weight-based items like coffee or food products. Piece is for single items like beer bottles and other pre-packaged items. And litre is for measured drinks like wine and spirits. When selecting litre, even though it shows up automatically, you will still need to select it from the drop-down list. When entering the item name, add the bottle volume as well to make it easier to find next time. Package stands for how many items there are in a box. For wine and spirits, it's usually 6 or 12. And product code is the POS price lookup or PLU code. Some POS systems use this code instead of the barcode, but at Triniteq we use the barcode, so this field is not required. Sometimes you will need to measure the weight of the bottle and the weight of the contents separately to get an accurate record of the weight of the item. To calculate the full unopened bottle weight, first scan the barcode and place the full bottle on the scales. Then press here. Then empty the bottle, put it back on the scales, press here and then save. This will calculate the weight of the liquid volume. You can account for a drink pourer or doser on the bottle in two ways. The first is to weigh the doser by placing it on the scales by itself, and pressing here. Using this method, you will need to weigh the doser for each bottle. The second way is to place the doser on the scales and press Tara to zero the scales. Then take the doser off the scales and notice that the figure is now minus the weight of the doser. You only need to do this once while stock taking bottles with dosers, so now when you weigh each bottle with a doser, the weight of the doser is accounted for. Now that your database is set up, you are ready to use your Massec device to efficiently track inventory, saving your business time and money. First, name your inventory file. We normally use the venue or outlet name and the date. Then, just breeze through your stocktake. Start measuring your stock by scanning the first barcode and placing the bottle on the scales. If you also have bottles of the same product, simply add the amount into piece, then hit save. Adding individual items is even easier. Simply scan, count, enter the number into piece, then hit save. To check your inventory file at any time, select the file under the Inventory tab and view the inventory file on the PDA. To edit the number of products or items from within your inventory file, find the product, select piece to make the file editable and add your new number. We advise against editing the volume as this will change the volume in the database. Once your stocktake is complete, the file can be imported into your Triniteq stock management system. To do this, you need to export your file from the Massec PDA and email it to your back office PC. Click Menu at the top right of the screen and select Triniteq. Massec will then convert the file to the Triniteq stock management system format and add it to an email. Add your email address and hit send. Then, on your PC, import the file into your Triniteq system and you're ready to analyze the data, investigate any issues and make more informed business decisions. Coupled with Triniteq's complete inventory software suite, the Massec system is proven to increase net profits by up to 15%. It achieves this by considerably lowering wage costs, adding accountability and security, while dramatically reducing discrepancies like overpouring and estimations. Massec can cut the time it takes to perform a stocktake by up to 60% and deliver 99.8% accuracy to your stock on hand estimate. So, if you want to stop losing money and improve your bottom line, contact Triniteq today. Now you see just how easy it is to set up your Massec system. You can use it as a standalone device or with your Triniteq stock management system.